Hi, this is Dr. Bruce Kanehl in Jacksonville, Florida, and I would like to discuss with you today a topic that has been very dear to my heart for the past 40 plus years as I have been practicing dentistry. And this topic is health-centered dentistry. So what do I mean by health-centered dentistry? When I see a patient, I want to look at the whole person and how the health of their mouth affects their whole body. I don't want to look just at individual teeth. I want to look at them as a person. I want to treat an individual patient as a person who has present or future medical concerns relating to their mouth. I want to look at their future, not just where they're at today. Before treating a patient, I want to know what each patient wants for their health for the rest of their life as it relates to dentistry. So why do we practice health-centered dentistry? Number one, in my mind, it is the right thing to do for my patients. So I am going to continue practicing with this thought in my mind. The wellness of the body and mind is very important, and dentistry can be a large part of successful overall health and longevity. Actually, Dr. Mayo in the Mayo Clinic in the 1930s said that if you keep your teeth healthy for a lifetime, you will add 10 quality years to your lifetime. There's actually a plaque that says that out in our campus here in Jacksonville at the Mayo Clinic. So, why do we practice health-centered dentistry? I can fix holes in teeth, cavities. I can eliminate infection. I can do root canals. I can do extractions. I can make beautiful smiles. I love to do all of these things. But if I don't relate this to the whole person, I don't feel like the patient is getting what they deserve. So what are the benefits of health-centered dentistry? Many. Number one, we need to start with the foundation, and that is healthy gums and healthy bone. You don't build a house in a swamp. You don't have a healthy mouth with unhealthy gums. So that's the starting point. Number two, what's very important is do dentistry that will last for a long time. I don't like quick fixes. If a patient wants to have something done that'll last a long time, I want to do that for them. In the long run, it's less expensive that way. A big part of long-lasting dentistry is to have a healthy temporomandibular joint and have a healthy occlusion or bite. You need to have harmony between your bite and your temporomandibular joint for dentistry to last a long time. Along the same line, as many patients have headaches and have been to many doctors, ear, nose, and throat doctors, and take a lot of medicine. It can be related to temporomandibular joint dysfunction and a malocclusion. So it's so important that we relate this to your whole body and your whole health. Another area of treatment that's become very popular in recent years that I love to treat is people with obstructive sleep apnea. It also makes their partners happy because it eliminates snoring. But sleep apnea can cause many problems related to your health. They say that 80% of patients in a cardiologist's office have obstructive sleep apnea. It affects the cardiovascular system. Diabetes is related to obstructive sleep apnea. Psychologically pleasing smile. What do I mean by that? I'll give you an example. My father, great dad, he became a patient of mine when I was in dental school. I never really saw my father smiling. He was a very happy person. He was in business, dealt with a lot of people, but you never saw his teeth. I found out why in dental school. He had rheumatic fever when he was about 3 years old, and it caused a black line in the middle of his teeth. He did not want that black line to show, so he covered up his teeth with his lips. In dental school, I made a new smile for my dad. Actually, I did 27 crowns for my father during dental school. From then on, he smiled with the best of them and never stopped smiling. He was always happy, but he did not show his smile. I feel it is the best interest of my patient not to have just a pretty smile, but to have a smile that they are proud of. So, if you would like to learn more about what we have to offer, I'd recommend you go to our website at www.kanehldental.com. You can see many before and after photos of patients that we've made pretty smiles for. You can study about sleep apnea. You can study about TMJ. If you'd like to have a consult, free consult, call whoever answers the phone, tell them that you heard about us on this video, and you'll have a free consult. The phone number is area code 904-731-2162, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.